ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಇದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸೀಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 11. ಈ ಸೆಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಈ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈ ಹಿಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸೀಸ್, ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸೀಸ್, ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸೀಸ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸೀಸ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಅದರ ಮೇಲಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ನ್ಯೂ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಹಾಗಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಎ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಫ್ಲಿಪ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಹೀಗಿದೆ, ನಾವು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಎ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ 3 5 1 2 -1 2. Then A dash. So transpose by matrix ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹೀಗೆ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. A dash or A transpose. ಹೀಗೆ. It is the matrix obtained by interchanging the rows of the original matrix into columns. ಇದು 3 5 rows ಇದೆ, 1 2 rows ಇದೆ, -1 2 third rows ಇದೆ. That will be interchanged into columns. 3 5 ನೋಡಿ, row is converted into column. Here is column and 1 2. So this row is converted here column 1 2 and -1 2. So this matrix is of order 3 rows and 2 columns ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ it is of order 3 by 2. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ reverse ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, it is 2 by 3. So it is a flipped version. So the transpose of the matrix is the matrix obtained by interchanging the rows into columns. So the definition of the transpose of a matrix obtained by interchanging rows and columns of a original matrix. So rows ಇದ್ರೆ columns ಗೆ rows ಅನ್ನ we can change into columns, or columns is changed into rows. So in generally we can write the matrix if A is equal to Aij, matrix of order m by n is a m by n matrix, then the matrix obtained by interchanging the rows into columns. Interchanging rows into columns or rows and columns, and vice versa. So columns of A, matrix A, original matrix, so is called is a matrix, and when the matrix obtained by is called the transpose of the matrix. It's called the transpose of a matrix A. So it is denoted by the transpose of a matrix A. The transpose of the matrix A is denoted by A dash or A power T andre A transpose. We have to read as A transpose. So if A is equal to Aij is a matrix of order m by n, then A dash is a matrix of order Aij will become Aji. Suffix is changing. It is a matrix of order n by n. ಇನ್ನು ಕೆಲವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಈಗ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್. Find the transpose of the following. So if we take the matrix 1 as 5, 1 by 2, minus 1. So let's take A as 5, 1 by 2, minus 1. Then A dash or A transpose, changing rows into columns. Here columns anna rows ಗೆ convert ಮಾಡಿ 5 minus 1 by 2 minus 1. So it is, let's take this 5 minus 1 by 2 minus 1. ಹಾಗೆ suppose another problem, if we take ಈಗ matrix ಅನ್ನ 3 by 3 matrix ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 1 minus 1 5 6 root 3 5 6. So 2 3 minus 1. So if we take this A as a matrix, if we take this as a matrix A is the matrix 3 by 3 matrix, 3 by 3 matrix, it's a given matrix. Then A dash is the matrix changing the rows into columns. Rows anna columns ಗೆ convert ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, so minus 1 5 6 root 3 5 6 2 3 minus 1. So transpose of the square matrix is of same order of the original matrix. So it is also of order 3 by 3 matrix. It is also of the order, A dash is also of the order 3 by 3 matrix. So now ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಕೆಲವು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೆಲವು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So before that, now let's take some examples problem and let's prove the some of the properties of transpose using some examples. If A is equal to matrix 3 minus 1 0 4 2 1 and B is a matrix minus 1 2 1 1 2 3, then verify that the transpose of A dash whole dash equals A plus B whole dash. Andre transpose of A plus B is equal to A dash plus B dash, transpose of A plus transpose of B. And KB whole dash, the transpose of KB equals K into B dash, here where K is a constant or scalar. So ಈಗ ನಾವು ಮೊದಲನೇದನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ಈಗ A dash whole dash equals A ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So if we take A dash interchanging the rows of A into columns, that is 3 minus 1 0 4 2 1 A dash, and the transpose of this, the transpose of A dash equals, again we have to interchange the rows into columns or columns into rows, that is 3 minus 1 0 4 2 1. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ರೋಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಅಥವಾ ರೋಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಿಸ್, ನಮಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಫ್ A dash ಈಸ್ ದ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ A. So the transpose of A is A. And now consider the another matrix. So what they have asked? A plus B. Consider A plus B. So A is a matrix 3 minus 1 0 4 2 1, and B is a matrix minus 1 2 1 is a matrix minus 1 2 1, then 1 2 3 1 2 3. So now adding the corresponding elements of A and B. So addition of matrices is valid when both matrices are of same order. So now when you add the corresponding elements, the corresponding element of 3 is minus 1. So 3 minus 1 will be 2. The corresponding elements of minus 1 is plus 2 here. So minus 1 plus 2 is 1, and 0 plus 1 is 1, and 4 plus 1 is 5, and 2 plus 2 4, and 1 plus 3 is 4. So this is A plus B. So what we require to show A plus B whole dash. Now consider A plus B whole dash. ಈಗ A plus B ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ. This is A plus B. So A plus B whole dash. A plus B whole dash is interchanging the columns or rows of the matrix A plus B into rows into columns. So 2 1 1, and this is 5 5 4 4. So A plus B whole dash. So we have to show that A plus B whole dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. So now consider A dash. Consider A dash plus B dash. So what is A here? What is A is here? That is 3 minus 1 0 4 2 1. So now A dash is 3 minus 1 0 3 minus 1 0 4 2 1 into A dash, plus what is B dash? B dash is a matrix minus 1 2 1 1 2 3. So B dash is interchanging the rows into column, that is minus 1 2 1 1 2 3. So adding the corresponding elements, now both can be added because both are matrices of same order. So 3 minus 1 is 2, and 4 plus 1 is 5, and minus 1 plus 2 is 1, and 2 plus 2 is 4, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 3 is 4. So just compare this with the matrix. See, this is 1 A plus B whole dash, and A dash plus B dash 2. So from 1 and 2 we conclude both matrices are equal. So from 1 and 2 we can conclude that A plus B whole dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. So now what is the other property? That means what we have to show, KB whole dash is equal to K into B dash. So now consider third one. So KB whole dash. KB, and take KB now. So the K is a matrix. K is a matrix, and B is minus 1 2 1 1 2 3. This is now what is the scalar multiplication of the matrix? Actually this matrix is multiplied by K. So multiplying all the elements by k. Minus 1 into k is minus k, 2 into k is 2k, and k, and k, 2k, and 3k. So now consider kb whole dash. kb whole dash. So interchanging the rows into columns. So that can be written as minus k, 2k, k, and k, 2k, 3k. So now here all elements have common factor k. So we can take it outside. That here is, this is nothing but k minus k into minus 1. This is k into 1. This is 2 into k. This is 2 into k. This is k into 1. And this is 3 into k. So taking k outside of the matrix, we can write this is minus 1, 1, 2, 2, and 1, 3. So now this will be the matrix. This is the matrix. Minus 1 kb whole dash. K into minus 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3. So now clearly we can write this k into, this is clearly b dash. What is b here? This is b actually. So now b dash is transpose of this, minus 1 to 1 and 1 to 3. So that proves some of the transpose of the matrix using the, we have proved that the properties of transpose using the examples. So now take another problem, that is for the matrices A and B, for the matrices, A and B, verify that AB whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash, where the matrix A is the matrix. It is a column matrix minus 1, 4, 3, and B is a row matrix minus 1, 2, 1. Okay, so now to find out AB, now we have to check whether these two matrices are comfortable for multiplication. So now consider AB. To prove this, consider AB. So AB is a matrix minus 1, 4, 3. A is a matrix. So B is a matrix minus 1, 2, 1. So now the first matrix is of order 3 by 1. It is a column matrix. The second matrix is of order 1 by 3. So the number of columns in the first matrix is equal to number of rows in the second matrix. Now the resultant matrix is of order 3 by 3. So now we have to multiply this. So the result matrix is of order 3 by 3. So therefore this will be C11, C12, C13. That means 3 rows and 3 columns. C21, C22, C23, and C31, C32, C33. Sum of the products of the elements of the rows and columns. So taking this, now this can be written as, now the rows here, this is to be multiplied with this one minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1, and this is multiplied with 2 now. So minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, and this is multiplied with minus 1 is multiplied with 1. So minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. So now that is over. Next we have to take the 4 here, and multiplying the 4 with all the elements minus 1, 2, 1. So 4 into minus 1 is minus 4, and 4 into 2 is 8, and 4 into 1 is 4. Okay, second row is over. Then the multiplying 3 with all the elements of the second matrix. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, 6 and 3. So it is a matrix of order 3 by 3. So we have AB is a matrix 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 4 8 4 minus 3 6 3. So take AB whole dash. AB whole dash. So AB whole dash is changing the rows into columns. Now that is 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 4 8 4 and minus 3 6 3. So take this AB whole dash as 1. So now we have A is a matrix. That means we have to show that AB whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash. So now consider B. B is minus 1 to 1. So now B dash is, B dash is minus 1 to 1. So this is B dash. So now we have to take A dash. So what is A matrix minus 1? 4, 3. So take that A dash minus 1, 4, 3. So take B dash into A dash. So B dash into A dash is minus 1 to 1, and A dash is minus 1, 4, 3. So B dash is a matrix of order 3 by 1, and A dash is a matrix of order 1 by 3. So the resultant matrix is of order 3 by 3. So now consider multiplication of the B dash with the A dash. So minus 1 is multiplied with minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. Then minus 1 into minus 4. So that is minus 4, and minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. So now taking 2, multiplying the 2 with minus 1, 4, 3. So now minus 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. 2 into 4 is 8. 2 into 3 is 6. Then again multiplying 1 with minus 1, 4, 3. Then so 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. So 1 into 4 is 4, and 1 into 3 is 3. So take this as 2. So we have find out AB whole dash is 1 minus 4 3 minus 2 8 6 and minus 1 4 3. So B dash is also same as AB whole dash. So therefore we conclude from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, 1 and 2, we conclude AB whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash. So using the examples of the matrices, we proved, now we have proved this A dash whole dash is equal to A, and A plus B whole dash is equal to A dash plus B dash, and we have proved Ka whole dash is equal to K into A dash, and this is AB whole dash. Lastly we proved AB whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash. So we proved for any two matrices, for any two matrices A and B of suitable order. suitable orders. So we have this property, and this property they are called as properties of transpose. Properties of transpose of the matrix. Transpose of the matrix. So now consider one more example, that if A is a matrix, if A is a matrix cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha, cos alpha, then verify that A into A dash is equal to identity matrix. So now consider A dash. So A dash is cos alpha, sin alpha, minus sin alpha, cos alpha. So take A into A dash. A into A dash. Or you can also take A dash into A dash, because the question is given as A into A dash. So take A into A dash. So A is cos alpha minus sin alpha and cos alpha. Then A dash is so cos alpha minus sin alpha and sin alpha cos alpha. So now take this matrix equals, so the multiplying cos alpha with cos alpha, so we have cos square alpha, and multiplying sin alpha with sin alpha, we have plus sin square alpha, and multiplying cos alpha with minus sin alpha, so we have minus cos alpha into sin alpha, and multiplying with sin alpha and cos alpha, so we are having plus sin alpha into cos alpha. So now the taking the second row and the first column, second column, minus sin alpha, and this is minus sin alpha multiplied with cos alpha, minus sin alpha into cos alpha, plus this one cos alpha and sin alpha, plus cos alpha into sin alpha. So now multiplying again the second row with the second column of the second matrix. So now we have minus sin alpha is minus sin alpha into minus sin alpha is plus sin square alpha, and cos alpha into cos alpha plus cos square alpha. So we have the matrix. So that is equal to cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is 1. That is a well-known property in trigonometry. So, and this is minus cos alpha into sin alpha cos alpha, both are same terms. So we have plus and minus, so therefore it will become 0. And this is also become 0. Minus sin alpha into cos alpha sin alpha get cancelled, 0. And sin square alpha plus cos square alpha will become 1. So this is the identity matrix. So therefore we have shown that A dash A into A dash is equal to I. Also we can have A dash into A is equal to I. So both are same. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಕೆಲವು ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗಳನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು we will define symmetric and skew symmetric matrix in the next video. Thank you.